today's project and probably part of tomorrow's project. Got the 4Runner in here, it's 2019. First thing is we're gonna take the brakes off, have the rotors turn, put front and rear brakes on it. There's your new brake pads that you got for it, like your OE8s. It's also time for some tires and alignment. So before we do that, we're gonna put a 3-inch lift on it. The lift is just springs and shocks for the rear. It's loaded struts for the front. I went ahead and got the upper control arms. They're supposed to help with alignment issues and actually give it a little bit better ride. Alright, got all the rotors off. The other two sitting back there. Gonna head to the parts store and get them turned. Got the brakes all buttoned up. Couldn't get the front rotors turned because the hub's too large. They didn't have the right adapter to make it work. So we're gonna see how this works, and if not, I'll order some rotors from Toyota and put them on. It's already getting late and I wanna get at least part of it done. So I'm gonna tackle the rear because it's just 2 shocks and 2 springs, and save the front for tomorrow morning. New day in the shop. Yesterday I got the brakes done, got the rear lift done, wheels and tires put back on it. It's back on its own kind of weight. It's still pivoting on the front, so it's not at an actual ride height. Now it's time to get that put on there. I don't know if you can see it really well, but right down under there is the bolt. It's got to come out somehow. The bolt is literally up against the front core support, and I don't know if you can see it. She's all in. I want to tighten up a couple of the bolts. I'm going to leave the control arm bolt and the bottom bolt loose until I get the wheels and tires on it, get it on its own weight, let the suspension be where it wants to be normal, and then I'll tighten those up. Now to do the other side.
this wire goes on top.
Now it's time to mount the sway bar back up. Put the wheels and tires on it, lower it down. I'll have to tighten the control arms and the lower strut bolt, which should be good.